Trying to choose the best VPN in 2025, whether it's for torrenting, streaming, staying safe on public Wi-Fi, or just keeping your online life private, I tested the top options and here's what actually works. Oh, and make sure to check out the link below or scan the QR code on screen to get discounts on any of these 4 VPNs. I started this test because I travel a lot and needed something I could keep my download safe and my speeds fast, especially on hotel Wi-Fi. After trying a bunch of options, only 4 really delivered. Alright, so let's start with Total VPN because this one is underrated. I didn't really expect much when I downloaded it, but when I tested it for torrenting, it held up really well. It's simple, clean, and fast. You do not need to be a tech expert to use it, and if you just want something that works reliably, it is one of the best VPNs for torrenting for beginners or anyone who just wants no fuss setup. It has proper P2P support and stays consistent across large downloads. Plus, it has a real no-log policy, so you're not leaving a trail. The Kill Switch VPN feature works in the background too, ready to cut your internet if anything goes wrong. It is the kind of VPN you could just install and forget about it. And right now, it is 80% off, which is a pretty great deal for what you get. Next up is NordVPN. This one has been a top performer in nearly every category. When it comes to speed, NordVPN is still the fastest VPN I have tested. I used their NordLynx protocol and downloaded massive files in no time. It is just fast. And it has a full P2P support across hundreds of servers. The real edge though is they're focused on privacy. They have a heavily audited no-log policy and have a Kill Switch VPN has saved my connection more than once. I have used NordVPN in hotels, airports, you name it. It just does what it's supposed to do and it does it fast. They also include tools like Threat Protection Pro that blocks sketchy sites or trackers while you're torrenting. MeshNet lets you link your device securely too, which is perfect for sharing large files across your network. If you are someone who wants top-end performance, security, and extra features all in one, NordVPN is the VPN you're looking for. Right now, it is 74% off with 3 months free. That is a lot of value for the best VPNs for high speed and secure use in 2025. Now, Surfshark VPN. This one surprised me. I thought it was just a budget option, but it is actually super capable. You get unlimited device connections, and that alone makes it perfect if you're running multiple devices at once. Surfshark VPN has a solid P2P support, a clean design, and very reliable performance. It handled big downloads just fine and never struggled with playback or speeding. The Kill Switch VPN kicks in fast when needed, and their no-log policy is tight. I checked their latest privacy audits, and they passed with no issue. CleanWeb also blocks ads and trackers, which comes in handy when browsing torrent sites. There is even a split tunneling feature called Bypasser, so you could route only your torrenting traffic through the VPN if you want to keep everything else local. If you're looking for the most flexible in price, especially for families or power users juggling a bunch of devices, then Surfshark VPN is probably your best option. And right now, it is 60% off with 3 free months, which is honestly one of the best values VPNs out there. Finally, CyberGhost VPN. If you want something that just works right out of the box, this is it. They offer servers that are specifically labeled for torrenting. You open the app, pick the P2P support section, and you are in. No guesswork, no fiddling with settings. It is extremely beginner friendly and surprisingly smooth for larger downloads. Their no-log policy is a place and backed by audit. The Kill Switch VPN works well too. I tested it on unstable hotel network and it immediately shut down the connection when the VPN dropped. That is the kind of protection you want when you're downloading files in the background. The one thing I really like about CyberGhost VPN is that it automatically connects to your favorite VPN server when you launch the torrent client. It removes one more thing you need to remember and keeps your setup seamless. If you want to set it and forget it experience with minimal effort, then CyberGhost VPN is made for that. Right now, it is 84% off with 4 extra months free, which makes it one of the best beginner options for secure torrenting. All 4 of these VPNs earned their spot on this list. Total VPN is simple and reliable, great for everyone to new VPNs. NordVPN is the fastest with the top tier privacy and a bunch of advanced tools. Surfshark VPN gives you unlimited connections and full flexibility at a great price. CyberGhost VPN makes torrenting as easy and automatic as it gets. Every one of them includes a no-log policy, working Kill Switch VPN, and a solid P2P support, which is exactly what you need to stay safe for fast VPN use in 2025. So if you're interested in trying any of them out, make sure to check out the deals on the description or scan the QR code on the screen right here.